Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today we're going to be doing a hair video. Today we're going to be installing this KINKY lace closure unit. Now what's so special about this unit is that it features kinky edges. So it has kinky edges on the part that has your lace enclosure, and I really love the kinky edges because it definitely gives you a very natural look to your unit. Very easy to blend. I absolutely love the look of kinky edges on my lace closures and frontal units. I literally want this on all of my wigs. Like, it just gives natural blowout. So if you guys like this unit and want to see how I installed it and styled it, just keep on watching. I'm gonna go over everything from start to finish. Okay, so let's get ready to install our unit. Before I install any unit, I have to use my wig grip cap. I always push these caps because to me, they're a lifesaver. This definitely keeps everything in place. My wigs don't scoot. My natural hair is protected, and I like this little lace right here. I just love these caps, and I literally can't wear wigs without them. Like, I can't. Today we're going to be installing a unit from Ashimaryhair. It comes in a pretty box like this. They also send a cute little baggie like this with their unit. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the unit. Okay, you guys, so this is how the unit comes packaged. So this is a KINKY straight unit. This is 18 inches. The unit features kinky edges all around the closure area. This is a 6 by 4.5 closure. This is how it looks on the inside. It comes with combs, and it also has a silicone grip elastic band that's removable. I'm gonna go ahead and take the elastic band out because I don't use it because I wear my wig grip cap and I don't need the elastic, and I also don't need the little combs. And I really like, if you're like me, everything just slides out super easy on the wig. Like, you don't have to cut anything or whatever. The unit also features a silicone strip all around the perimeter to help your wig stay in place. It also has a comb right at the bottom. This one is stitched onto the cap. It also features a drawstring to further adjust your wig to make sure it's super snug on your head. Okay, I really love the kinky edges on units. I feel like it definitely gives you an overall more natural look. So let's go ahead and install it. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be an easy one. The wig fits so nice and snug. I am gonna take my tweezers and go through the hairline because, as you can see, it is a little dense. It's a little dense. So now we're gonna tack this down using our Kiss Colors and Care Lace Bond adhesive spray. Okay, you guys, so everything is nice and melted. What I'm gonna do next is my baby hair. Here is just water and conditioner. Just putting a little bit on my finger. So definitely use water to kind of like tame where you want the baby hairs to go before going in with product. It can make everything kind of have like a product buildup, and we don't want that. First of all, y'all, this melt though. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and kind of sleek the hair out. I'm gonna use my Timo. You guys might have seen this before all over the internet. I bought one some months ago and I love it. If you guys are interested, I'll have it linked below. So you see how much of a difference that made? And it took me about 5 minutes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put some curls in my hair. I'm gonna use my Babyliss Pro flat iron. Okay, you guys, so I am done curling and styling my unit, and it looks so pretty, so fluffy. I really love the kinky texture. Kinky edges are just everything. It really gives the unit a very natural look. As you guys can see, it's lightweight and bouncy. If you guys are interested in this unit, details and links will be below. Thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Please don't forget to thumb this up, comment below, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next one.